Hello and welcome to Stanford Graduate School of Business. My name is Sawyer Clark and I'm a first-year MBA here at the GSB. Some of my classmates and I are going to show you around our campus today. As we walk forward, we're walking away from the GSB residences, which are just across the street in that direction, and we're heading into what's called the town square. This is very much the center of and the lifeblood of our community. You'll see people all around me meeting, both students, faculty, classmates.
I'm Chaitra Yadlagada, a second-year MBA student from India. We are here at the Arbuckle Dining Pavilion at the center of the GSB. With its indoor and outdoor seating, this spot serves as a natural meeting point for me and my friends as we catch up over lunch or dinner, discussing our future, working on our class projects, and thinking about our careers. One of my favorite memories here is catching up with my classmates, learning about their cultures and cuisines while we share lunch or dinner. Arbuckle has a variety of options to choose from, ranging from grilled items, pizzas, salads, daily changing global cuisine, seasonal soups, and fresh fare. I love that Arbuckle also serves Indian food, something that I thought I would miss when I moved here. Right outside Arbuckle is the Monument to Change art installation. It reminds me that the future is always changing, and I've got to be evolving to change lives, change organizations, and change the world.
Hi, I'm Renata Girola, and I'm an ABA 1 here at the GSB. I'm originally from Brazil, and I moved here from Australia. Stanford students are known for, whenever we have the chance, we go outside and study for meetings, for preparing presentations. We're always reading and maximizing our time outside, which is really great. I didn't realize that the GSB campus would be so
The moment you arrive, you feel it. Energy in the air. People moving, chatting, ideas buzzing. The entrance buzz gets you excited before you even step inside.
Welcome to Day 1 Building, because at Amazon, every single day is day one. We're inventors at heart, never satisfied, always asking, what's next? We stay lean, we stay curious, and we keep building, like it's the first day all over again. That's the spirit that keeps Amazon pushing forward.
At Amazon, some of our best ideas are born over coffee. This isn't just a cafeteria, it's a collision point. Engineers sit with marketers. Developers brainstorm with logistics managers. We call it peculiar. One of our leadership principles, because the most innovative solutions often come from unexpected combinations of perspectives. And here, those combinations happen naturally every single day.
This is Amazon Go. No lines, no checkouts, no waiting. It looks simple, but behind that simplicity are hundreds of sensors, cameras, and deep learning models, all working together in real time. Every move you make, every product you pick up, is tracked by computer vision and sensor fusion. And the moment you leave, the system already knows what's in your bag and charges your Amazon account automatically. That's retail reimagined, where AI, cloud computing, and everyday life come together seamlessly.
Amazon moves fast, but speed without reflection leads nowhere. These paths aren't just scenic, they're intentional. A place to step away from your screen and let your mind work differently. Some of our engineers solve